the age of modern medicine, there are few diseases we struggle to treat. The most terrifying of these few is cancer. Despite the multitude of different treatments, a diagnosis of cancer feels like a death sentence. Cancer patients undergo a long series of increasingly brutal therapies, each one aiming to kill the cancer cells before it kills the patient. We've all seen or heard of the effects of chemotherapy. The disease is so difficult to treat because the body doesn't recognize it as a foreign invader. Our own cells are powerless against it. But research into a particular behavior of cancer cells offers a chance to use the body's natural defenses against the disease. According to common cell biology, cancer cells divide frequently enough and strangely enough that the immune system should kill them. But it doesn't. This is due to the presence of exosomes, which all cells use to communicate. Exosomes are tiny spheres made of plasma membrane and filled with proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Cancer cells send out exosomes to say, "Stay away from me." Tumor cells emit massive numbers of very specific types of exosomes, which they use to dupe T cells in the immune system and to encourage other cancer cells to become more malignant. The good thing about this is that the tumor-derived exosomes are easily detectable in the blood, far before anything abnormal could appear on a scan. But exosomes don't just serve as an early detection mechanism. In laboratory experiments, researchers have been able to isolate cancer-produced exosomes from a particularly aggressive form of melanoma, skin cancer, and determine which cellular pathways in T cells they affect. They have also managed to show that by interrupting this communication, T cells in a culture will attack melanoma cells. If we can find a way to break the T cell's reception of tumor-derived exosomes in the body, we can use the internal immune system to treat cancer. Even the most specialized external chemotherapy treatments are damaging and often ineffective, killing healthy cells alongside diseased ones. But treatments that interrupt exosome flow in tumors will help the immune system target cancer cells, rather than just attacking anything that divides quickly. Further, they can also be used as an early warning trigger, so treatment can begin earlier. Exosomes are the key to disabling cancer's defenses against the body, and they represent a new generation of oncological treatments that are both more effective and less harmful than current chemotherapy, helping cancer patients live better, longer lives.